got a new haircut. I really like it. I want to take some selfies to send to my friends. Ugh, the background is messy. I didn't notice it before.
Oh no, the lighting here isn't good. My photo looks too dark. Oh no, this isn't good either. The curtains are thin, the sun is really strong, and it makes my photo too bright. Ugh, Mom, our home decor is a mess. Oh, Mom, this table is too big for this place. I don't have enough space to run and play at home. I always bump into furniture. Mom, he is right. Can we do something about our home decoration, please?
That's right. I have been thinking about it for a while. But I need your dad's help, and he's really busy right now. If you can help me, let's do it together. We can start by tidying up and making a simple plan. Yes, great idea. I love decorating and designing rooms. Let's make a plan right now.
Mom, what does decoration mean?
Decoration is turning this mess into this beautiful and calm place.
Decoration means making our home look nice and feel good. First, we choose a style like modern or classic.
Then we decide what furniture we need. And we choose the right colors, fabrics, and materials. And we check what size it should be.
We pick wall colors, and we choose the floor color and material too. In the end, we want a cozy, comfortable, and beautiful home.
Mom, I like looking out the window, but there's too much stuff here. Can we move it?
Okay, honey. We'll think about that when we redecorate. I looked at some home decor magazines and learned some basic rules.
I watched a few decor videos on YouTube and got some good ideas. Let's talk about our ideas and decoration rules.
Let's first imagine the house is empty and start from the beginning. I think we should measure the space first. Length, width, depth, and height, and write it down. Done, Mom! I measured everything and wrote it down.
Now we need to draw a very simple floor plan and decide where everything goes.
It is done. Let's look at our home decor first and talk about what's wrong.
That sounds helpful.
The sofas are old, and they're too big for this space. The fabric pattern on the sofa is too busy. The wall is too busy. There are too many pictures. We have 4 bookshelves, and it's too much. The table is too big. The curtains are old and don't match.
The cups don't belong here. The lamps don't look good, and they are in the wrong place.
The wall color looks old and lifeless, and the walls are full of cracks and holes.
The dining table and the chairs are really old and broken. It feels old, crowded, and too cluttered.
What do we need for the living room?
1 sofa,
2 armchairs,
a medium-sized coffee table in the middle,
and a small side table next to the armchair.
a dining table,
6 chairs.
a glass vase, round wall mirror.
Ooh. A console table.
Oh, don't forget lighting. A ceiling chandelier, a floor lamp behind the sofa, and a table lamp on the side table.
What about, storage stuff? A bookshelf and 1 wall shelf.
What about soft stuff?
A rug.
A cozy blanket on the sofa,
A few pillows on the sofa.
What else?
One plant in a pot. One big painting on the wall.
Maybe 2 small frames. Oh, we have so much to do, and we need a lot of new things. Sophie, let's order the things we need online. Ready? Let's take everything to the storage room. Now the fun part, choosing the colors. What color do you like for the walls? Light colors or dark? Warm colors or cool? Cheerful colors or neutral?
A lot of money is gone. Did we get scammed?
Don't worry, honey, that was me. I ordered a few things.
No problem, honey.
I have an idea. We can use AI to see the colors on the living room, and then we can vote.
The best idea. Let's start, Nancy. Which color do you like?
I like green. It's hard to match the furniture with this color.
Not bad.
2 no and 2 yes. Okay, next one. Max, which color do you like?
Dark blue. It is dark. It is scary.
With this color, the room seems smaller. So 3 no votes, so it gets rejected.
Nancy, your turn.
Pink. I like pink.
No, it's too fancy.
No.
I am so sorry, Nancy. How about asking AI to show us a few suitable colors, and then we can choose? Yes!
Mom, what color is this? How do we make it?
It looks like a soft light blue with a little green in it. We can make it by mixing white, light blue, and just a tiny touch of green. Let's start painting!
Ah!
The living room is ready to new furniture. Let's start arranging the furniture. I lay the rug. It's a plain cream rug.
I hang the curtains. Curtains give the room a softer look. They also help control the light.
Careful, Mom. Let's place the sofa in the middle of the rug. Yes, that looks balanced and cozy. Place the table in the middle. I want to hang these beautiful paintings on the wall. I need to create visual balance, so I'll hang the big one in the middle and the 2 smaller ones on each side.
And finally, before, after. Do you like our taste?
It's unbelievable. Our home has become so nice and cozy.
Let's take a selfie! Did you enjoy this story? Did you learn some new sentences? Then don't forget to like and subscribe.
Also, if you want to see us decorate more spaces, let us know in the comments. What should we decorate next? The kitchen, the bedroom, the roof garden, or another place?